you've learned section 1 of verse 3. Now we are going to move into section 2 of verse 3. Okay, the next section in this verse is another over-the-top section, and it is more closely related to the BS chorus over-the-top section than the bounce section was in verses 1 and 2. You are going to start with a step back on that right foot. You're going to put the left foot to the front, and you have a choice here. You can turn it sideways like you would do if you were trying to do a real over the top standing up, or you can leave it flat if you're kind of scared of that and not comfortable. So you're doing step, left foot front, you're going to slide back and jump over. Then you're going to step back on the left foot, turn the right foot sideways, slide it and step over. So with the counts, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Now we are going to do that same thing again, but we're going to take the pauses out. So you'll go step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step. Okay? That last part again is step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step. You're going to do that whole thing twice in a row. So let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Let's walk through this again. So you're doing step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop, step. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop,